I am Sugunan Natarajan from Trivandrum. I am very keen to the Toyota hybrid because they have been developing hybrid cars in Europe as well as in America for the last 25 years. I have been using Camry hybrid for at least 6 years and I am really pleased with the performance of hybrid. Really fuel efficient, which I get typically an average of 16 to 19 km per litre, which is for a very large family car is very good. And I've been really pleased with the performance so far. To replace a hybrid car, I was not thinking, but I was replacing a diesel car, which is getting old. And I wanted to buy a medium-size SUV. And that's when Toyota announced a new Hyryder, which is a small SUV or a medium-size SUV, which is again hybrid powered. And the Hyryder, of course, promising an efficiency of 27.87 km per litre. In my case, I drove 150 km initially for the first day. It gives you a return of 26 to 28 km per hour. So their promise is really good. So finally, I got the product Hyryder. I chosen the dual tone color, and I really liked the exterior as well as the interior. Good tech features, and of course the reliable heart of hybrid, which is very, very nice to drive. It's not very sporty car, but it is very enjoyable car to ride. I am familiar with Nippon Toyota, which is very close to my home, and they have been excellent not only for providing new cars as well as servicing the car, which is they have a great team. And this time for booking the Hyryder, I have no hesitancy to go for them. Get a new booking which was done in the early July, and I got my car in the last week of October.